day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here, it seems like it has break and close above the high, but it hasn't because of this long wick over here, this bar over here. This long shadow created an additional resistance level for this entire setup. So in order for this to be broken, a break and close above 1.0485 has to be done. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here is definitely a uptrend based off the 4-hour chart. And let's have a look on the 1-hour chart. It is still on a uptrend as well. So bullish on both 4-hour and 1-hour, and bearish trend on daily. So there are a couple of ways to look at this. It could be a potential change of trend, meaning we say that market is moving from bearish to bullish for the euro dollar pair, or on the higher perspective, it is still bearish. Right now, this bullish is just a retracement, it's just a corrections and stuff like that. All right, so what you can do is scan this QR code. You'll be led to our Telegram channel, and if you have checked out our trading view post at the bottom, you will see an invite to our Discord channel. And the reason for that is because we are shifting to Discord. And because at this moment our Discord invitation link only lasts for 7 days, you can check out the latest pin. There will be an invitation to the Discord channel, the latest invitation to the Discord channel. Be sure you're there. Yeah, on top of the Telegram link, what you received as well as Discord channel on the welcome channel, I'm going to include that as well, is that an invitation to our student portal over here. So on the student portal over here, what you can access is if you click the dashboard, it will bring you to our course material over here. And if you scroll down further, you can have access to our trading ideas as well. The trading ideas is sent to the Discord channel for our students, and that's why you want to be there, because we are going to set up a way. Let's say you are sharing and inviting people, good people, to the channel, then you have access to our trading ideas. That's one way of you can be getting that. And of course, the other more straightforward method is to just tell me, hey Rain, I want to be in your community to receive your trading ideas. All right, and as you can see, our second target is usually more than 2:1. That means you just need 40% to be profitable in the long run, correct? So it significantly reduce the stress and even remove the stress in some instance for our traders as well. And if you are looking to just, hey, I want to try to learn how to trade, this is a free course, free training you can go through. And if you want to learn more and want to get coached by me, drop me a note. We will send you a link and we'll see if you're a good fit before I accept you. Alright, so back to our daily chart. Just before that, follow me on the social media. You have to be there in the Instagram channel, because that is one of the main source that I'm sharing my information and stuff like that. Alright, so let's head back to the daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. Based off the daily chart, if not, we move up the weekly chart, giving you a clearer perspective. Right now, we are at the key resistance level of the entire setup. So if the market managed to break and close above the level that I spoke about on the daily chart, then maybe it's a better confirmation that we are on a bullish trend. The only way to find out is to wait for a week for the candlesticks closing to see how it goes. By looking at this, I will be still looking for a shorting opportunity for this week, because even if it's going higher, it can have some bearish movement, and right now we are at the highest range of the entire setup, correct? So on the daily chart, if it push up even further at about 1.0597, it gives us a potential bearish crab shorting opportunity. And I do remember just now the things I've just shared with you, that is based on weekly chart, candlesticks closing, and right now we're talking about daily. So as long as it didn't stay close at this level, or by the end of the week, then it can still be a strong bearish candle. So if you're able to understand that, good. If you don't, drop me a note, because this is actually not difficult. It's just that you have not gone through the right process in this entire trading journey or coaching. Down to the 4-hour chart, if you are still very bullish about buying, there are two ways you can think about. One is to plot the right trend lines, and once the market tested this trend line, what you want to see is to make sure that the candlesticks didn't break and close below the trend line. Then you can wait for a buying opportunity. First target I'll be looking at if I'm buying will be at 1.0438, which is the previous high. That is one of my general rule, and one of the things that I will definitely do is to shift my stop loss to entry price. The other matter is really wait for a retracement and a pushback down to 1.0081 for a buying opportunity around this region. Down to the 1-hour chart, nothing much, just a small buy zone over here. You can head down to the 15 minutes and wait for any potential setups. It could be a double bottom and stuff like that on the 15 minutes to engage for this longer term buying opportunity. Alright, so if this is for you and if you are thinking you can spare 15 minutes a day to do analysis, of course, after coached by me, set aside a day to learn how to trade, and every day after just spend 15 minutes to do your analysis, set your alert, let your smart devices to tell you, hey, you have reached the level, you just wait for a confirmation signal that I'm going to teach you. Then drop me a note. We have to make sure that you're a good fit before I accept you. So once we accept you, you can be pretty much assured that if you do your part in learning, you should be able to manage your own analysis. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Until then, remember always, plan your trade and chill.